Hey everyone, welcome to Mylifestyle with Taiwo Amusa. If you've been thinking about starting your own YouTube channel but have no idea where to begin, you're in the right place. Here's a detailed step-by-step beginner's training on how to set up a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel as a beginner can feel overwhelming, but in today's video, I will take you through a structured step-by-step approach which you can use to build a solid foundation and grow successfully. Here's a detailed training to help you get started confidently. You might be wondering within yourself, how is it done? Where do I start from? What niche should I settle for? Think no further. I'm breaking down the entire process step by step so you can start your YouTube journey with confidence. From planning and preparation, research your niche, to choosing a channel name, it'll guide you through it all. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's build your dream channel together. Style with Taiwo Amusa for more tips, AI animation content, and inspiration. Phase 1, planning and preparation, purpose and niche. So let's start. Phase 1, planning and preparation. Step 1, define your purpose and niche. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What can I talk about consistently? Who is my target audience? Examples of niches such as tech reviews, beauty, fitness, gaming, education, finance, vlogging, cooking. Step 2, research your niche. Study 5-10 successful channels in your niche. Take notes on video style and format, topics and titles, audience engagement, thumbnail and branding style. Step 3, choose a channel name. The name should be easy to remember, spell, and relevant to your niche. The name does not exist on YouTube and should be unique to only your channel. Check if the channel name you created is available on YouTube. And that's it for today's video, your complete beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start, you just have to start. If this helped you, or if you're ready to take action, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your channel name or your biggest takeaway. Like the video if you found it valuable. Share it with someone who's been talking about starting a YouTube channel. And of course, subscribe and follow Mylifestyle with Taiwo Amusa for more tutorials, lifestyle inspiration, and creative motivation every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired, stay consistent, and keep building your dream. Thanks for watching My Lifestyle with Taiwo Amusa.